life with a retired international criminal. I need your help, Dom. Last week, a team of highly coordinated drivers took down a military convoy. This most recent job graduated them to a whole new level. You're gonna help me catch the team responsible.
Why is that, Hobbs?
This was taken a week ago.
He's messing with your head. Letty's dead, Dom.
I need to know for sure.
Then I'm going with you.
This equipment's way better than that trash in Rio.
Way better.
So now we work for the Hawk?
Things changed.
Breathe with me.
Our target's Owen Shaw, former major in the SAS Spec Ops soldier.
You help us get Letty, we'll get you shot. But we need full pardons all the way around.
And cars. Make sure they're fast.
We talking vehicular warfare.
We've never seen this before.
You believe in ghosts?
You don't turn your back on family, even when they do.
You really think you've won? This code you live by is about family. It's the very reason you weren't even in the game.
Damn.
Breathe with me. Breathe.
Somebody do something! I got a tank on my ass!